me sit down. Let me sit down. Let me sit down. Okay, so I need to change my camera a little bit. Whatever. Here we go. Here we go. So go ahead and crank this down a little bit, but so the rhythm games have been exploding a lot, and I wanted to get my fill. Unfortunately, Friday Night Funkin', which is the game I really wanted, I was so close. But then there's a demo which you can't play any mode, you can just look at the menu screen. Bruh. Does that make sense at all? No, it doesn't. But I know that y'all been doing work. Hey, editor, everybody zoom in. 67 subscribers. I don't even know what I'm gonna do for 70. Did I even do anything for 60? I don't know. But this game is called Sound Shooting. A little bit. It's in English. I like playing on normal, but let's play on hard. Oh, I can't? Okay, let's play on. Let's start. Okay, so I guess this is a shooting game. A lot like Space Invaders, but it's just to the side. Now, shooting is a sport, no one will get hurt, got it? Melody, who are you making excuses to? Where's my help at? W's. Oh my goodness. What's DPS mean? I have no idea what that means. Y'all are dead for sure. What kind of sound is that? Oh! High tension mode. Oh my gosh. Dude, what the heck is going on right now? Alright, let's do another song. Okay, I'm going to speed up from here. Oh. Hold on, man. I thought it was just shooting. Nope. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh my gosh, I missed all of that. Oh. Try! What the heck? What are this, bro? What is going on? This is it. I almost died. I almost died. And this is just a data run or something like that. You can get 3 S's. Caution and danger. Oh wow. So there's a certain time that the rhythm game starts. We have to be ready for it. Oh jeez. No, there can't be a way the rhythm game starts now, bro. As you can tell, my timing is not very perfect. Oh, oh my goodness! I literally bombed that. I don't know how I passed that at all. I'm doing work right now. No! Can't you? What the heck, bro? Woo-wee! Okay, they bugging, okay? They bugging up there, man. Oh, snap. What the heck? Bro. And I just got SS for that. The crazy part is why am I actually enjoying this? We'll do one more. We'll do one more. I think. Yeah. I don't even know what they're saying. Ooh, stay in the middle. Stay in the middle. Stay in the dang middle. I almost took damage. No, you're not doing that to me, man. That was hard to avoid. What the heck? Why is it taking me here at hyperspeed? The freak is going on right now? Oh my gosh! Oh! Oh! What is going on right now? What is this? This is just on normal, guys. This isn't even. Why? Okay, now why are my teammates gone? My teammates are gone now. When it gets serious. When it gets serious, my teammates, they banish to the Shadow Realm. Yeah. Oh snap. I'm not taking damage. What the heck? No! There's no way. Oh my. Bro, that took my first life. Come on. That's whack. Oh. Holy mackerel. Bro, I could have had a SSS, man. Why is she moving kind of fast, bro? Slow down. Actually, can we talk about this menu music, please? Ah, chill out, chill out, chill out, chill out, chill out, chill out. I hear y'all. Caution? And it's just on normal?
Hey yo, what the?
Oh my gosh. Alright, it's game time for real. This is one of them, huh? What the heck is going on here?
Come here, boy!
Get ready to slumber. Let brother go home.
Wait, what? Oh, the walls. The walls are what kills you. No, no. I'm gonna have to take damage then. Because I do not want to bump into any of these walls. What the heck is going on? No, not the rhythm game. What is this? What is this? Oh. I'm gonna die. Oh, you helping me? Oh shoot, I'm
head out.
back. I shot my only help, huh? Oh my gosh. Lord, no, not rhythm game. Please, please, please. I'm not. I'm about to die. Okay, so I got it, but I keep on getting them okays. Gotta go underneath here. Do a little bit my gaming platform joint. Yeah, just get me through that, man. That was torture. Bro. That was torture. Here's the last one. Oh my gosh, man. Yo, you dying. I'm not even going.
I'm hurt. Oh!
Hold on, what the heck is going on here? What the heck? I'm not even shooting at nothing. I'm up here. I'm literally up here. Nah, you finna die, bruh. What the heck is going on right now? What the heck was that ending? Yo, what was that? What in the world was that ending? Yo, this... Oh my... You know what? I'm finna get close like they said in the tutorial. I'm sorry. You gotta go. Nah, we killing her today. I need a storyline. What the heck? Get up out of here. What? Oh my gosh, I don't have that much of a health left. This girl's taking the stamina out. I'll be trying this again from the bottom. I didn't even start yet. Why don't you ever die? I'm going long distance. I'm going long distance for sure. Matter of fact, I'm finna destroy that thing right there. That thing is what's killing me. Okay, so I missed that one completely. Let's go! Bro, you gotta be dead after that. We really hit you with the Kamehameha wave and you're not dead. Bro, look at what she's... Bro, I'm taking out the thing, I promise you. Bro. That's not even a lot of room to work with. Yeah. Bro. I always miss that one for some reason. Here comes this crazy part. But then you lose your bar when you die. How? How are you supposed to beat that? Nah, I'm exiting. Oh, move speed. Note speed. Judged. I don't even know what it's saying. I'm off. Look, I'm off.